Don't watch this lesson unless you are serious about speaking English fluently. You want to understand English, right? You want to speak English and you want to think in English. So let's train all three right now. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm good, thanks. How about you?
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I'm studying English. I'm studying English.
Do you speak English every day? Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I practice every day. Yes, I practice every day.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
Are you busy today? Are you busy today?
Yes, a little busy. Yes, a little busy.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. Yes, I love coffee.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast already. Yes, I had breakfast already.
What do you usually eat? What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread. I usually eat eggs and bread.
Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now?
Yes, I'm very hungry. Yes, I'm very hungry.
Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I like pizza very much. I like pizza very much.
Do you live near here? Do you live near here?
Yes, I live nearby. Yes, I live nearby.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
I go by bus. I go by bus.
Is the bus crowded? Is the bus crowded?
Yes, especially in the morning. Yes, especially in the morning.
What do you do after work? What do you do after work?
I usually go home and relax. I usually go home and relax.
Do you watch movies at night? Do you watch movies at night?
Yes, sometimes I do. Yes, sometimes I do.
What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. I like action movies.
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I'm free after 5. Yes, I'm free after 5.
Do you want to go out? Do you want to go out?
Sure, that sounds good. Sure, that sounds good.
Where should we go? Where should we go?
Let's go to a cafe. Let's go to a cafe.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Of course. Of course.
Is this seat taken? Is the seat taken?
No, it's free. No, it's free.
What are you listening to? What are you listening to?
I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music.
Do you like the song? Do you like this song?
Yes, it's very nice. Yes, it's very nice.
What is your phone number? What's your phone number?
I will write it down for you. I'll write it down for you.
Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
Do you understand this lesson? You understand this lesson?
Yes, I understand most of it. Yes, I understand most of it.
Can you repeat that slowly? Can you repeat that slowly?
Of course, no problem. Of course, no problem.
Are you learning English alone? Are you learning English alone?
No, I study with my friend. No, I study with my friend.
How long do you study every day? How long do you study every day?
About 1 hour a day. About 1 hour a day.
Is English difficult for you? Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes, but I enjoy it. Sometimes, but I enjoy it.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I usually visit my family. I usually visit my family.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer. Yes, I play soccer.
What is the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm.
Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, a little tired. Yes, a little tired.
Why are you so happy today? Why are you so happy today?
Because I got good news. Because I got good news.
What are your plans tonight? What are your plans tonight?
I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to watch a movie.
Shall we practice English together? Shall we practice English together?
Yes, that's a great idea. Yes, that's a great idea.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Take care. See you tomorrow. Take care.
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well.
Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I studied all night. Yes, I studied all night.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for my phone. I'm looking for my phone.
Can you open the window? Can you open the window?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem.
Do you need any help? Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay for now. No, I'm okay for now.
Is everything okay? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine.
What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink?
I would like some water. I would like some water.
Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us?
Yes, wait for me. Yes, wait for me.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was busy, but good. It was busy, but good.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Yes, but not very well. Yes, but not very well.